Hey, first of all, congratulations because you already know that you want to become chartered accountant. बचपन में ज़्यादातर हमें यही सवाल पूछा जाता है, बड़े होकर तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? तो आपको ये आंसर मिल चुका है, आपके पास जवाब है कि आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना चाहते हो. But have you ever wondered why you want to become chartered accountant? क्यों आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना चाहते हो? Have you searched your why? Finding your why. फ्रेंड्स, मेरी ये वीडियो नॉर्मल वीडियो से थोड़ी लंबी चलेगी, सो कीप पेशेंस. इसको एंड तक ज़रूर देखना. यू विल गेट टेम्पलेट ऑफ योर गोल कार्ड एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe and press bell icon to see more such videos. So let's today search your why together. Hello, this is CA Vrinda Vakharia, student by nature, CA by profession, and your guide, your mentor by passion. क्या आपको पता है कि आप चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कोर्स क्यों कर रहे हो? If yes, then pause this video and write in comment below why you want to become a chartered accountant. I will definitely read it and reply to you. कुछ स्टूडेंट ने कमेंट कर दी है, कुछ स्टूडेंट को पता ही नहीं है कि वो क्यों कर रहे हैं. So let's today find your why together. I will share some of the tips and ideas with you through which you can find your why. And क्यों ये ज़रूरी है? आपको पता है आपको चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कोर्स करना है. You want to become a chartered accountant. पर मैं चाहती हूँ कि कोई एक गोल कार्ड आपके सामने रहे 24 आवर्स, आप उसे देखें और इंस्पायर हो. सिर्फ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना है ये काफ़ी नहीं है. क्यों चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना है? That is the pushing factor for you. So आप एक गोल कार्ड बनाइए. सबसे पहले आपका वाई ढूंढिए. मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी कैसे आप ढूंढ सकते हो कि क्यों आप करना चाहते हो, और फिर अपना एक गोल कार्ड बनाइए. उस पर लिखिए यू वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट और आई देन योर नेम वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बिकॉज, और उसके बाद आएगा जो आपका रीज़न है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनने के सपने के पीछे वो. और वो आप सोने से पहले देख सकते हो, जागने के तुरंत बाद देख सकते हो. आप जहाँ स्टडी कर रहे हो सामने स्टिक कर दो आपका गोल कार्ड, तो वो आपको कंटिन्यूसली मोटिवेट करता रहेगा, इंस्पायर करता रहेगा आपके गोल के प्रति स्टेप्स लेने के लिए. इट विल कंटिन्यूसली फोर्स यू टू डू द वर्क towards your goal. So let's quickly see the ideas or tips to find your why. The concept I am going to share with you has been taken from these two books, Find Your Why and Start With Why. Author is Simon Sinek. In this book, author has described the ideas to grow your business by finding your why, but I have customized the concepts applicable specially for CA students. As a student, how you can find your why and how you can utilize it at your most. So let's get started. What is the difference between happiness and fulfillment? So answer is, the difference between happiness and fulfillment is the difference between liking and loving something. Happiness comes from what we do, but fulfillment comes from why we do it. And that's more important. Once you know your why, you have a choice to live it every day. Living it means consistently taking actions that are in alignment with the things you say. When the things we say and things we do are aligned with what we believe, we are fully living our why. Every person's career depends on the 3 layers: what we do, how we do it, and why we do it. This is not our opinion. This whole concept of why is grounded in the tenets of biology of human decision making. How the golden circle works perfectly with how our brain works. The outer section of the golden circle, the what, corresponds to the outer section of the brain, the neocortex. This is the part of the brain responsible for rational and analytical thoughts. It helps us to understand the facts, figures, features, and benefits. The neocortex is also responsible for the languages. The middle two sections of the golden circle, the why and how, corresponds to the middle section of the brain that is called limbic system. This is the part of brain responsible for all our behavior and decision making. It's also responsible for all our feelings like trust and loyalty. But unlike the neocortex, the limbic system has no capacity for language. This is where gut feelings come from. It's not our stomach, it's a feeling we get about a decision we have to make that we struggle to explain. All three parts are equally important. When those three things are in balance, we are at our natural best. We are truly living our why. Our why is our purpose, cause, or belief, the driving force behind everything we do. How are the actions we take when we are at our natural best to bring our why to our life? Our what are the tangible manifestation of our why, the actual work we do every day. So let's get some of the ideas to find your why. Idea number 1 is knowing your why means having a clear purpose. It makes you more focused and appealing to your mind. Purpose means what you want to become. You have decided that you want to become a chartered accountant. That means your goal is fixed. It means you are focused with one purpose only, and that's why it is appealing to your mind. Your mind does not need to search here and there for some other goal, for some other purpose. You have decided, you have fixed that you want to become chartered accountant. So now find the steps to move forward. Your purpose is clear. That means you are focused. You need to be focused with one and only your chartered accountancy goal. Second idea will be unlock your why by looking to your past. That means revise your story in your mind. Now friends, this is one of the very interesting idea to find your why. This is like memorizing your own story, telling your own story to yourself. Yes, sit in a quiet place and remember, memorize your story. Why you jumped into CA field. Maybe your story is your parent wanted to become chartered accountant, but they could not be. So you decided to prove them, to give them happiness by being chartered accountant. Maybe some has a reason their parents are chartered accountant already, and inspiring from their life, he or she also wanted to become chartered accountant to walk on their steps. Some may wanted to marry their loved one boyfriend or girlfriend, but unless and until they become chartered accountant, it would not be possible. Maybe this is your story. Some wanted to prove to their relatives or neighbors that yes, they can also do such a tough course, so they wanted to be a chartered accountant. Or some just may require that level of respect and payment so that they can live happily ever after life, a very luxurious life, and thus they want to become chartered accountant to earn more money, to earn more respect. So what is your story? What pulls you here? Tell me in comment below in very brief. So don't forget to recapture your story in your mind. Now let's move on to third idea. Third idea is an outside perspective can help you uncover your why. Yes, if you have gone over a dozen of stories from your past and still can't find your why, Don't panic. Sometimes it's difficult to identify a common theme in the things that are important to us, and if this is the case, it might be time to bring in a fresh perspective. Another person who knows you well can be a valuable resource in identifying your why. This person doesn't need to be someone you are intimate with, just someone who is curious and observant. Mark this word. Just someone who is curious and observant. It can help if the person you are talking to is not overly familiar with your background and is someone who will ask thoughtful questions and even take detailed notes. Asking specific questions is very important to finding your why, and these questions often lead to vital details and intense feelings. So start observing such kind of outside people. Look, are they your neighbors? Are they comparing their child with you? That means they are taking your detailed notes. Yes, they are curious and observant on you. So you have to prove that, and they are your pushing factor. For them, you have to study hard. For them, you have to become chartered accountant. And thus, your goal is to prove them. These outside people may be your competitor at your 11th or 12th standard. If yes, then you have to compete with them. Or maybe your teacher, your guide, your mentor at school time who has observed you very deeply, and he or she thinks that yes, you are capable of doing this tough course, and thus he or she suggested you to be a chartered accountant, to enter in a course that is little tough for you, but yes, you can do it. So who are that person, that outside perspectives which forces you, which pushes you, which pulls you here? Now fourth point is find the factors that drives you, or analyze the task or work you really enjoy. This is very, very important. Have you decided your work which you can do for rest of your life? Because this is about your career, and career is permanent, not a temporary factor. So decide which type of work you really want to do, which type of work you really enjoy. You are going to be a chartered accountant. That means you have to deal with taxation matters, all with calculations only. Either direct tax, indirect tax, either scrutiny, appeal, whatever field you choose. Yes, of course, you can do specialization in any of the field. But you have to decide, do you really enjoy it? Can you do it for rest of your life? If yes, you like having your mind with such kind of work, go for it, because it will not be burden for you. You will enjoy this work. That's why enjoying your work or doing a work that you enjoy is very, very important. So first of all, before moving forward, just stop and think, do you really going to enjoy such kind of work? If yes, let's move on. Now the ultimate question. Does this pay your desired amount of money? Initially, it's okay if it does not, but gradually your hobby, your work, your career should start paying you. Otherwise, you cannot carry it for a long time. But here, no worry for you, because you have chosen a chartered accountancy course which gradually pays you well as gives you more responsibility and respect as such. So start thinking this way. In your area, does this course require to specialize in any specific field? If yes, then go for it. And if yes, then choose such kind of specialization. So any field, any career, any course you choose, it must give you desired amount of money so that you can live desired amount of luxurious life. Summarizing all together, steps to follow for you. First, find your why. Using any of the 5 ideas I have just shared with you, you can easily find your why. Second step, use your how to be efficient in implementing your why. You have analyzed why you want to do it. So now you have to discover how efficiently you can do it. What are the steps required to reach there? So the third step will be decide what you ultimately going to achieve through this. Discovered your why, then how to do that, and what you ultimately achieve through this. These 3 steps are very basic and very important to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Now, one more step the author Simon Sinek has suggested is once you discover, it's important to share. Means, if you have decided what you want to achieve, announce it to your family, to your friends, to your neighbors, because once you make an announcement, now it becomes your responsibility. Anyhow, you have to do it. You have to prove yourself by achieving that. So, make an announcement. It's important to share to bring such responsibility factor in you. Then fifth step will be to stick to your goal. Prepare a goal card and read it at least twice a day. So very soon I am going to share a template of your goal card with you. So don't forget to prepare it and stick in front of you so that you can read it twice a day. So finally, whatever you're going to ask to the universe and believe and take the steps, that means do for it, you will definitely achieve it. Have a reliable goal. Believe in your steps towards achieving your goal. Do whatever it needs to achieve to reach there, and finally achieve your goal. This will be your biggest achievement of CA prefix. Friends, not knowing your purpose in life or your why can be frustrating and confusing experience for individuals, businessmen, and even teams. But there are ways to look within, understand your why, and begin to live a motivated, passionate, and productive life. When you fully realize your why, you can start thriving in both your personal and professional life. So finding your why and to live for your why, to prove to yourself, to prove to others, is very, very important. So don't forget, don't skip the step to find your why. सो आई होप कि इतने स्टेप्स फॉलो करके आपको आपका वाई मिल चुका है. सो जिनको शुरुआत में नहीं पता था कि वाई यू वांट टू बिकम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, अब आपको डेफिनेटली पता होना चाहिए. सो आप अब भी कमेंट कर सकते हो कि आप क्यों चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना चाहते हो. लेट एवरीवन नो. आप उसे डिक्लेयर कर दो, फिर आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाएगी. यू आर अकाउंटेबल टू शो द अदर्स दैट यस you have proved what you wanted to become. So आप कमेंट करके मुझे बताओ कि आप क्यों चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनना चाहते हो. एंड पर्सनली आई फील गोल कार्ड बनाना आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यूजफुल हो सकता है. It will continuously force you to take steps towards your goal, towards your journey of becoming chartered accountant. This is your goal card template I was talking about. I, then write your name, want to become chartered accountant because I, then write your why you have chosen to become chartered accountant, and then very important, by end of, write month and year. To be specific in time period is very important. So for example, I, Vrinda Vakharia, want to become chartered accountant because I want stable and perfect professional life and want to give all luxuries to my parents maximum by end of January 2021. If you decide specific time period, that means you have to give your 100% within that time only. Friends, इस वीडियो को सिर्फ देखना मत, इस पे इम्प्लीमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा. आपका गोल कार्ड आज रात सोने से पहले रेडी होना चाहिए, आपकी आंखों के सामने होना चाहिए. It will inspire you 24/7. Trust me. फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए आपके बाकी सीए फ्रेंड्स के साथ. जो भी इस जर्नी में आपके साथ है वो भी इंस्पायर्ड रहेंगे, वो भी खुद से मोटिवेटेड रहेंगे, तो वो आपको भी मोटिवेट करेंगे. ये सीए का सपना आपको मिल के पूरा करना है. तो इस वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा, लाइक कर दीजिए अगर ये कंसेप्ट आपको सच में पसंद आया है. कमेंट कीजिए कि व्हाट इज़ योर व्हाई. एंड thank you so much for watching and listening to me. See you with the next amazing video. Take care. Bye bye.